What's going on? I'm actually offline right now. This isn't live, but for the respect of my buddy Jesse, shout outs. I have a photo he wanted me to help edit, and he's taking his hand and trying photography as well, which is awesome. Actually, I'm speaking to you, Jess, so I don't know why. This is just a recording, so you can, if you ever come across a healing brush tool or want to see how I did it, literally, like, watch me. It's been a while since I did this shit. Got back from Detroit. I don't feel too good. I don't know. It's like I always look like shit they say online, but like I actually like feel like shit today. So I don't really want to work. Oof. So I'm just gonna get this done. So let's go ahead and open up. And I'm horrible, man. I believe it was well, I'm not gonna say it in case I can post this on the Discord, but just to keep it short, I guess. We have a picture of M. So we're gonna keep it short and call her M. Funny, I went to Mom's Spaghetti yesterday in Detroit. M&M's anyway. So what we're gonna do right here is this hair. And we're just go ahead and clean that up. If I'm on to anything else, we could do that. But before I jump into that, there was a question about AI. And actually, I could do this offline, but if it's cool, I want to post this on the Discord. Probably not Twitch or anything like that, just because it is a tutorial, and I keep saying I'm going to do tutorials and help people and blah, 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 and answer questions, but why not start here? I actually just did like 2-3 vlogs while my trip to Detroit, so just keeping the momentum going. So AI, I was asked about that. AI is like, at least in Photoshop, I know there's a bunch of free stuff out there, and you know, you could tell AI to do a certain thing, but for instance, if you wanted to get rid of, I've never done this actually. This is the first time thinking of trying this, so I'm just gonna try it. It might not work well at all, but you have to guide the AI. So what I'm doing right now is like, oh, I don't want this little railing here. Well, you can go ahead and click click generative fill, and just put like, I don't know, like nature river or some shit. I don't think it's gonna work because it's like, but you'd be surprised. It's good for like, if you highlight around her, you could put, hey, I wanna like type in cape, and then it'll put a cape on her because it like sees her in the background. Let's see what happens here. Oh, what the fuck? Wait, what'd the original look like? I'm confused. Oh shit, that's the new stuff? What the fuck? Alright, yeah, I mean, you gotta fix it up here. Like, damn, son! That shit crazy. Oh, yeah, alright. Well, I guess, you know, you can't do that. So, yeah, ladies and gentlemen, AI is here. I use it for very, very simple things, like the K-Funk Finkel remix on SoundCloud that I released, you know, all the skulls on the fucking heads. It was the original Finkel cover, and then I just like selected the face. I won't do it here. As Maria said, Jess, Maria is my wifey, fiance. She said M looks beautiful and stunning, so she just wanted to tell you that and thank you for the shout outs and props. I know I was busy yesterday, but you know, we were talking about the nail salon, so we'll go on about that. Y'all know I'm ADD. I jump all over the place. Let's get back to the subject at hand. What were we doing here? So before I do this, I'm just gonna see if this fucking works. You know, you never know. But you can't tell. I mean, you can, but Adobe kind of removed the feature to like tell it to do things, like remove hair. You know, so it literally can't. It tells you not to tell it to do things. Like, you cannot do this. I mean, let's try. I've never tried it. Get the fuck out. I stand corrected. They're getting better every day. Just 2-3 weeks ago, this was kind of like, fuck me. my life gets easier every day, and people don't realize. Like, I'll use this shit for fucking life, you know. No, hey. I had Soup asked me, hey, let me get your license. I want to play with that, you know, Adobe AI, I think with Firefly or whatever the fuck it's called. There's a website, you know, if you guys are interested. Man, he was doing the craziest images, like car jumping off roof, and bro, like, you know, crazy shit comes up. So I'm not even gonna show how I was gonna do that. Actually, no, I will, just because. You should know how to do it if the AI doesn't work, but pretty soon you guide it and it'll. But you see how I selected the hair? There's always a little bit of work. You can't just be like, remove the hair in front of the face. Like, it's gonna fuck her head up. I guess there's a spot healing brush tool. So like, you know, I could have used this. Make a copy. That's what I'm doing right here on the right. So yeah, you see how like the old school method doesn't work that well, and I would have taken all this time to really go in here and spot heal little by little, and then grab bits of the AI is computing all of that. You see that little bar that went by? It's computing all of that, blending from different parts of her head. Exactly like I would do. I have just the human touch. And you can't just get rid of that. You have to get rid of everything, every trace of it. This is kind of like leaving paper trails, you know? Like, people will know that you photoshopped, or people do like the little belly or whatever the fuck, and then don't realize, you know, like behind the railing or like the tiles behind them is bent. Fucking amateur mistakes. But yeah, so, you know, with the quick little, oh shit, hold on, let me get the original back. I don't want to do all that work and waste time. So, you know, you could be done. You could do it the hard way, blah, blah, blah. You know, if you wanted to go crazy, wanted to do like a magazine cover tutorial, magazine cover, that's when you can go here and get all these little streaks out so it looked like her hair was perfect. You know, we're not gonna do that, but you could. A couple other things, you know, this tiny strand here. So you can literally perfect the photo with, you know, not altering the body or manipulating anything like that, but just simple things, you know? Just where your eyes get accented to, get rid of that little hair. Big difference. So now my guy won't be made fun of in the forums. Man, and it's awesome to hear. I mean, that's not what he went to school for, does. Maybe just because I do it all the time. You know, I'm like in my own little world doing this shit. Who the fuck am I talking to? I'm talking to Jess. Jess, I think it's fucking awesome that you're like in forums and shit. I don't do any of that stuff, and I'm keep saying I will try, but But anyways, yeah, I'm working on my own shit, and if it's cool, I might post this on a Discord just to show the power of AI. Yeah, if it's not, if you're uncomfortable, no problem. Use this to see what AI can do, and I can even show more. So try to keep things 5 to 10 minutes, short and digestible, and go even shorter as I work on my ADHD. And I hope that worked. Oh fuck, that's a work email. Well, I'm gonna cut that part out. Peace.